All right, y'all, we got a complaint of water buildup with all the rust right here. So we're gonna look into that. I'm pretty sure we need some new gaskets up under his thermostat housing and the intake manifold right here. You know, sometimes the gasket go bad. And right here we got corrosion on the battery with a dead battery. And the customer ain't got that much money to replace the terminal, so we're gonna recommend the old trick right here with this soda. I just did it earlier at a gas pump. The lady had the same issue, so she did the same thing, and it worked. So it is what it is. All right, y'all. Well, we got it up and running. Like the soda trick worked. And we got some work to do, but we can get it done. Alright, y'all, well, we got the intercom, the whole soda trick work. We're gonna rebuild the terminal. And remember, I was telling y'all about the brush from earlier. The water skin out right there. One thing we're doing is pushing the hose out. Water skin out, you don't need to do that. And I hook the skin to look. We got a check engine light, which wasn't on when I first cranked the car up, but we also had pending codes. So if you ever want to cross-reference the scan tool, this is what the parts store don't do. And I know a lot of people complain about prices for diagnostics, but this is what the parts store don't do. They only hook up the scan tool, tell you what the codes is. They don't cross-reference. So what you do is, go to the part, right there, and unplug. This for the engine to change. The engine didn't change. And you know we got power on the ground, good power on the ground. So this is gonna need to be replaced. The EGR that needs to be replaced. And here's what the engine was supposed to do. Now unplug that part. Right here now. The engine was supposed to change like that. Plug it back in. And that's how you cross-reference the diagnostic tool with the engine. Go to the sensor that pops up on the scan tool. You cross-reference it that way. Make sure the power on the ground is good. Then you go to the actual sensor that it is, and you just put it off. You put it off in the interchange, good to go. Or it still can be going bad, so you listen to a change in the